welcome to the Paleta Rosa Homestead. Well, I wanted to do a nice quick video today, something that everybody should be doing. It is very easy. As you can see with the beginning picture, that is 1 pound of bacon. 1 pound of bacon will get you some lard for your house that you can use for so many different things. Here we use it when we're frying something, say eggs. We'll take some of that lard and we'll put it in our pan instead of using butter. Butter's so expensive. So why not reuse something in your house that you could use? We use it in our cast iron skillets when we're cooking. There's so many different uses for it. So let me show you how we do it. Be right back. So here is the lard that we currently have in our refrigerator. Whenever we cook bacon, we take the fat that runs off of it into this tray, because we usually cook it on a skillet, and we pour it right into here. And this is what it looks like. And it's very easy to do. Everybody should be doing it. So let me show you how. I'm just going to take this jar that I have right here. So it's so easy to do. You take your jar that I've got in my refrigerator, or you can take a brand new jar. Put your canning funnel on it and buy the cheapest coffee filters you can buy. And then you need a screen. Put your screen on top, put your coffee filter in here, and once you start getting the oil, the fat I meant, you pour the fat right on top. It will drain into here, and then just put it in your refrigerator. It's that easy. And like I said, you could be using it for anything that you fry with or that you want to grease a pan with. Hope you liked today's hack. I hope to see you again. Thanks for visiting the Paleta Rosa Homestead. I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you haven't yet subscribed to my page. I hope you will. God bless everyone.